Local news for Monday the 19th of August. There's strong interest in this year's local body elections. All three mayoralties will be contested, with 5 nominated in South Wairarapa and 4 each in Masterton and Carterton. 15 people will go for 9 seats in South Wairarapa, 20 for 10 seats in Masterton and 21 for 8 seats in Carterton. And 3 are standing for the Greater Wellington Regional Council and 10 for the Wairarapa DHB. The Masterton Trust Lands Trust has received plenty of interest for this year's local body elections also. 9 nominations for just 4 places have been received. The Masterton Community Trust has 10 nominations for 6 places, and 3 will contest the Tararua mayoralty. Kinanui College have placed second at ShowQuest, New Zealand's largest performing arts competition for schools. They also picked up an award for their video wall. And Masterton youth band Seki Brothers took out the Hutt's Got Talent competitions on Friday night, beating 24 other performers and picking up $7,000 in prize money. And in sport, Dalefield are the men's grade capital hockey champions for 2019, beating Hutt 2-1 in the final at the National Hockey Centre on Saturday, while the women finished third with a 3-0 win over Victoria University. And the Ferries Wairarapa Bush have had their final pre-season game, beating Wellington Samoans 39-15. Development also won away, beating Wanganui Samoans. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.